this is day 2 of our Gurudongma trip. Very good morning. 16th of October. You see this road? This is Sevok Road, which leads from Siliguri to Coronation Bridge, anywhere in the northeast. I had been dreaming about riding on this road for the last couple of years, since I had been planning for this Gurudongma ride. I had been on this road for many times before, but I had always wanted to ride a motorcycle on this road, and finally this is happening. What happens after this, if the trip is successful, we reach Gurudongma or not, but this is one dream come true. This is the first time I am riding on this road, and this is one of the best days of my life. One of the best days of my life. I'm just loving this road. I hope this road continues for as long as possible. Anyway, we have to reach Mangan today, and we are already late. We were supposed to start at 6:30, but we overslept and we woke up at 7:30. Started from Siliguri at about 9 o'clock. Yeah, we are late. So let's get going. Yes, we are at the famous Coronation Bridge. This road, if you're taking the Coronation Bridge, this leads you to North Bengal, towards area, and that one, if you go straight, takes you towards Kalimpong, Darjeeling, Sikkim, anyway in that region. Right. We had been watching so many videos for the last few years, watching this Coronation Bridge and all this, finally the day has come when we are standing on this bridge and making this video. Perfect. Just so far, good ride. Having fun. (10:30) almost, and we are at a place called Gel Khula, just beside Tista and Rangit. We have stopped by a roadside cafe just to have some breakfast and tea. All's fine except the route. It's even the route's fine. The traffic is hectic. Too much. I mean, the tourist season is on, and a lot of traffic. It's very, very difficult to ride on this road, especially if when the road is under, most of the stretches are under construction. It's not in good condition. Could have been handled well, but the traffic condition is pathetic now. It's just pathetic. Didn't expect this much of traffic at this point of time. Yep, so that's it. We are late already. Hope to reach Mangan by late afternoon probably. Should have reached earlier, but the traffic condition won't let us reach early. Let's see. तोल तोल रख तोल रख. Hi, it's 1:30 in the afternoon now, and we are at a place called Makha, from where the route there is a diversion. There is a board. That's the road marker. From there, the road takes a right turn, and which leads you to Mangan. So Makha, we have about 4 to 5 shops here. So, yep, stopped after a very hectic ride. The roads are in very bad condition. I don't know if it's just this season or it's usually like this, but the roads are in very, very bad shape. So, yeah, that's taking up a lot of time. Otherwise, we could have reached a little early. That's okay, that's okay. As far as we can go there and check in and have some lunch, good enough. We get some time to rest. Time for some tea. Yeah.
स्नेक्स अलावा कुछ है? नहीं नहीं, नेपाली सिगरेट है, कुकरी वगैरह.
शिखर कुकरी.
शिखर शिखर. अच्छा तो एक एक भैया नहीं. हाँ.
जगह का नाम नहीं पता, कहीं बोर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है. बहुत सुंदर और शांत जगह है. बहुत सुंदर, बहुत शांत जगह है. निकलने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. मंगन पहुंचना है, नहाना है, खाना है. और रोड पे इतना सुंदर सुंदर व्यू है कि बिना रुके, बिना फ़ोटो उठाए आप निकल नहीं पाओगे ऐसे जगहों से. ऐसे जगहों को अगर आप एंजॉय नहीं कर पाए तो घूमने आना तो बेकार हो गया ना. सिर्फ बाइक चलाना होता है. बहुत सुंदर है. Alright, so we are at Dikchu now. We are at a petrol pump here. Quite a long queue of tourist vehicles. On the way, we had a small issue. This rear rack of this motorcycle gave away. There are these clamps which actually broke, and I had this petrol jerry can, a 5-liter jerry can, which was mounted on this, and that could not be carried on that rack anymore. So we had to fill up the tank and the jerry can from this petrol pump, because we are not sure if we are going to get petrol at Mangan. So just to be on the safer side, we got the refill here. It's getting a little cloudy here, so that is a bit concerning for me. I hope things go well in the next couple of days. It's 3:34 p.m. We were supposed to reach somewhere around 2:30, but the roads, quite a few rough patches. It's going to take time, so take your time when you're leaving from Siliguri. Don't think it's just 150 kilometers. The mountain roads are not your regular roads. See you at Mangan. We are just 5 kilometers away from Mangan, and we couldn't help stopping here at this small shop. Not small, quite a shop for the mountains. It's an organic stall where they're selling all organic vegetables, fruits, and pickles. Not the biscuits and appy for sure, but rest of the products, yes, and grains and stuff are all organic. There's a small nursery as well. It's about 4:40 now, and 10 to 15 minutes back we have reached Mangan from Siliguri. Before I tell you anything else, let me show you the view from my room. Hana Jagas, yes. So we are at Guddu Agarwal's hotel. It's called Agarwal Guddu's Residency. He's a known name to all the bikers and travelers who come to Mangan or beyond Mangan to the North Sikkim region. You have to go via Mangan, and if you are staying at Mangan, you are aware of Guddu Agarwal's name. The hotel is excellent. I'll just give you a glimpse of the hotel. And that's the veranda where I was sitting. Just check this out. And that's the view from the small veranda attached to the room. So we contacted Guddu Agarwal over the phone a few days back, and luckily we got a room. There is no room available in Mangan right now, as I've learned from the localites. Mahadev is in charge of this hotel. He's a lovely guy, very helpful, very courteous. ओके ये है छोला आलू, और ये क्या है
पता नहीं
यार, कुछ तो है। हाँ, कुमड़ो हिंदी की रे, कद्दू और आलू का सब्जी, रोटी चावल। तो ये है हमारा डिनर। It's 9:30, a little late for dinner. For me, I have early dinner. What's important is day 2 was great. Day 2 was fun. Day 2 was super adventurous, just because of the road and my broken motorcycle carrier. I think that's okay. That's enough for the day, and good time to retire. We have learned that the road to Lachen is quite good. So hopefully a good ride tomorrow. End of day 2. Good night.
Cheers.